Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make any audio sound great.
Right now, I'm just using my mobile phone and I'm shooting like that without connecting my mic. This is my mic, I'm not connecting it. So you don't really need any mic. If you don't even have the money to buy any mic, that will be fine. With what I'm going to be showing you, you'll be able to enhance your audio from this to
This. Beautiful, right? Very good. So stick with me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber and give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can suggest this video to other persons and we'll grow together. Thank you. See you. Let's go. So what you're going to do is to export your video, then come to this site and convert it to MP3. So let's go ahead, select the video we want to work on first. So click on convert. Okay, it's done. Let's download. Okay, after downloading the audio, then come to this site. It's called Adobe Podcast. Okay, Adobe Podcast.adobe.com. So go ahead, sign up if you have not signed up. So I'm going to be logging in using my Google account. Now, this is the site we're going to use to do the magic. Go click choose file. I've uploaded or I've clicked my file, now it's loading. So just allow the AI run it, do its magic, and your file is done. When your file is done, download it, go ahead and link it up to your audio. You're going to have a great sound, I promise you. Why not just go ahead and enjoy yourself, download the file and add it up to your video and you're good to go. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you and see you in my next video.